So I've been playing around with the phone a little bit, and I added like a few of my own apps. The only way you can really download apps on here, you can't add it through the Play Store directly, but if you had downloaded the app back when this operating system was still compatible, you can access the old apps. So I just went to my purchases and I can see like all of my old apps. And you can install it from the history, from your purchase history. It's been super cool, like seeing all these apps I used to have. Like I remember Angry Birds Go. This was one of me and my brother's favorite games when we were small. Oh, my brother loved playing this game too. Glory of Generals. I played a lot of these games, like baby care, dress-up games. Obviously Clash of Clans. Guys, this is how you know I'm an OG. Like, this is back when I was playing dress-up games and stuff like that, baby toddler games. Back when I was an OG, I was already playing Clash of Clans. Obviously I don't have my original account. Sims Replay. This is like old. I'm also a Minecraft OG, guys. SimCity Build It. And yeah, I can also like text my friends on this phone. Like the only thing I'm disappointed about is the black bar at the bottom, but besides that it works pretty well. I feel like it's so cute. This is like the size compared to my hand for reference. That's so cute. Anyways, if you guys want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.